Hello guys and welcome back in this course on ISO 45001. In this video, we are going to discuss about clause number 4.1 in a bit detail, which is defining the organization. So how do we define or understand an organization? The answer is by having deep understanding of key internal and external issues that can positively or negatively affect the OH&S objectives of an organization. These are some examples from which you can learn how to identify internal and external issues. By internal issues, we mean the issues that are faced by an organization in terms of availability of resources like knowledge and human capital, or it may be roles and accountabilities. Uh, Internal issues can be in the form of the objectives and wants of an organization, the working environment of an organization, or the processes and procedures with which the organization operates. These are some examples of internal issues. As far as external issues are concerned, the applicable national or international laws are basically come under the category of external issues. The social and political factors, the industrial trends of an organization, similarly, the contractors and subcontractors with which the organization works, and the economical conditions of the country in which the organization operates. Basically, these all are the external issues that can be faced by an organization. So if you want to define an organization, you need to understand both internal and external issues of the organization. Identifying all key issues will help you in future to achieve your occupational health and safety objectives more effectively.